So, good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. So, my topic today is ethical standard in the workplace. So, the types of ethical standards. Ethical standards based on utility. Evaluate policies, institutions, and behaviors in terms of the net social benefits and costs they produce. This ethical standard proceeds from the principle of utility. It states that an act is good if it promotes the greatest amount of the happiness to the greatest number of people. So, ang ethical standard based on utility, ito ay sinusuri ang mga pulisya, institusyon at asal batay sa kabuuang benepisyo at gastos na nililikha nila para sa lipunan. Ang pamantayang moral na ito ay nagmumula sa prinsipyo ng utility na nagsasabing ang isang gawain ay mabuti kung ito ay nagbibigay ng pinakamalaking kaligayahan sa pinakamaraming tao. So, ang number 2 is ethical standard based on moral rights. Evaluate institution, policies, act, or behavior in terms of the protection they provide for the rights and freedom of individuals. Hence, any policy or act that respect or protect the rights of individuals is ethical, while those that violate the same are ethical. So, the types of rights: positive rights and negative rights. So, ethical standard based on moral rights. Sinusuri ang mga institusyon, pulisya, gawain o asal batay sa proteksyon ibinibigay nila sa karapatan at kalayaan ng mga individual, kaya anumang pulisya o gawain na gumagalang o nagpuprotekta sa karapatan ng tao ay ethical, habang ang mga lumalabag dito ay hindi ethical. Mga uri ng karapatan: positive rights and negative. So,